You know, upgrades and modifications for your motorcycle can be cool and sexy, but what should be the priority for you? Should you go with comfort, style, safety first? I know all of this is really subjective as far as what should be the priority. And well, I mean, it's your motorcycle. You need to do what is best for you, your budget, your style even. So before we get too much into it, I tell you what, let's hop on the motorcycle and let's talk about it. You know, over the past few years, I've had my share of new motorcycles, and there's certain things that I do to the motorcycle every time that I get a new one, and that is in the area of safety. Now, it's not all cool and sexy like, you know, putting a 135 in or some sweet exhaust or, you know, throwing nitrous on the back of the lowrider ST. It's nothing cool like that, but it is still very necessary and needed if you want to have a safe motorcycle ride. Now, we've all heard that loud pipes save lives, and I think there's a lot of truth there. I don't disagree with that. You want to be heard, but you also want to be seen. I think that is just as important. And one of the things that I would highly recommend that you put on your lowrider ST is the triple play from Custom Dynamics. I just love this device. I think it's super important. I don't think enough of us have those type of things on our motorcycle, because what that device is going to do, it's really going to add a lot of visibility to people who are around you, specifically behind you on your motorcycle. So I tell you what, let's go back to the garage and let's take a look at the triple play in action. Now that we're back in the garage, let's get the seat off this motorcycle so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So hopefully you guys can see this device here that's kind of outlined in green, this rectangle. This is the triple play for Custom Dynamics that I have in my lowrider ST. There's a couple of different settings that you have here that you can set the flashing patterns to however you want. And then what I also did, I also added some Velcro here just so it sticks to the fender and doesn't slide around that much. But anyway, so that's it. That's the gist of it. And then I'm going to show you guys the patterns and why I believe this is such an important safety feature for motorcyclists in general. So now that you guys have seen the triple play in action, what do you think about it? You know, it's funny, I was at White Lightning the other day and I had just pulled up in front of the dealership and I could see in my rearview mirror, this guy was looking at me. He was just getting off a road glide. And I could tell he was looking at the back of the bike. Well, he came over to me, he was like, how in the world do you get your lights to flash like that? How did you do that? How did you wire it up? And so I was explaining to him, you know, well, I've got the triple play on this one. For a bagger, you're going to need magic strobe. And then I talked to him about how important I thought it was, and he loved it. He really did. He loved it. He's like, I've never seen anything like that before. So it's nice to spread the word about that, because you really want to, when you're out on your motorcycle, you want to raise your visibility so you can be seen and heard, so other car drivers know you're around. And I think that's exactly what the triple play does for the lowrider ST. So very important for safety. Well, hopefully you guys can see why I believe this product is so important for motorcyclists. I mean, anything that we can do to get the attention of a distracted driver is going to be a good thing. Now, one other thing I wanted to address, and that is the installment or the installation of this product. I'm going to send you to another channel for that. That's Holy Shift. You guys probably know about his channel. If you know about mine, he has an excellent tutorial on how to install this. I actually sent him a message and said, thank you, I would not be able to do this without you. So if you're looking for that information, go check out his channel. I'll put a link up there. And in the comments, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have this product, if you believe the same thing that I do about how much it is needed for a motorcyclist. Just let me know your thoughts. I tell you what, I appreciate you guys very much. Thanks for spending some time with me, and I hope you have an excellent day. We'll talk to you again soon.